Hello everyone, and welcome to my SmartAssistant channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to easily add your phone number to Temu. This step is important for enhancing your user experience and facilitating communication within the app. By adding your phone number, you can receive notifications about orders, status changes, and other important information that will help you stay updated on all activities. So, let's get started with the process. First, open the Temu app and log into your account if you haven't done so already. When you're on the Temu homepage, tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen. You will notice a small icon next to your name. Tap on it, and this will open the page for editing your profile. Once you are on that page, tap the Add button next to the option for adding your phone number. Then, enter your phone number, making sure to include the country code. After that, tap the Submit button. Next, wait for the verification code to arrive. When you receive it, enter the code in the designated fields. After successful verification, your phone number will be linked to your Temu account. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video, and thank you for watching.